Hey guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. Topic of this video is a little sensitive topic, a little sensitive subject. It's gynecomastia, or man boobs, or you may refer to it as bitch tits. If you're dealing with it, you know it's a very difficult situation to deal with. If you're not, then it's something that you hope you never have to deal with in the future. However, the main cause being a hormonal imbalance may cause some of you guys down the road as you get a little older to end up getting man boobs, all right? So hopefully for you guys, this will help you and prevent you from ever getting it. All right, but some of the causes, let me tell you the causes, let me outline some of those for you. Again, it deals with a hormonal imbalance. Some people, it started at puberty. When guys, you're becoming men, your hormones are all out of whack. Your increased testosterone levels at times, increased estrogen levels at times, and it's something that you may have developed because of that at a younger age. It's also something that guys develop over time because of bad eating habits. If you eat really bad foods, really bad diets, then you're going to have higher estrogen levels and it can create man boobs, okay? The third cause is going to be anabolic steroids. If you're injecting your body with steroids, you're doing all kinds of wacky things to your body. And it's also one of the main causes of gynecomastia. So basically what I'm hoping to do is give you some ways to reverse that. There's also different stages though, guys. If it's something that's happened naturally over time due to hormonal imbalances, and more than likely some of the tips I'm about to give you is going to help reverse some of those symptoms, help reverse the man boobs, all right? But if it's something that you've done to yourself, you've done steroids in the past, you never took care of it, and you developed a thick mass behind your nipples, then more than likely the only way to get rid of that is going to be surgery. But majority of the people out there that have it, you can reverse it, all right? So I'm going to give you some tips, tell you how to reverse it. Again, it's a hormonal imbalance. So the key to getting back to feeling good, getting these pecs looking like a man's pecs again, is to focus on your nutrition, all right? One thing you can do is intermittent fasting. The thing with fasting is you're going to help stabilize your hormones for longer periods of time. When you're eating food, every time you put something in your body, your hormones are either rising or lowering. I mean, they're constantly changing. When you eat a lot throughout the day, then your hormones are always a little out of whack. If your primary goal is to reduce the man boobs, take away the man boobs, then you want to focus on balancing those hormones for longer periods of time. That's where the benefit of intermittent fasting comes in. You can fast for 16 or 18 hours and then eat like a madman during that other window, all right? So that's going to help. That's one way to help regulate your hormones for longer periods of time. Another thing you can do to regulate those are eat cruciferous vegetables, all right? Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, green leafy vegetables. Those will help lower estrogen levels naturally. So that's another way you can help balance and offset the rise in estrogen levels, all right? So you can focus on going that route. Also eating citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are going to contain limonene. Limonene has been shown in several studies to reduce estrogen levels, actually get rid of excess estrogen levels in your body. So that's another thing you can do is eat some citrus fruits, all right? So those are 3 ways to help regulate your hormones. The second thing that you can do to reduce is to increase healthy fats. Opposite of what a lot of people typically think. You're thinking, I don't want to eat more fats because I've got too much fat as it is. Well, guys, when you eat good, healthy fats, saturated fats, you're going to want to get grass-fed beef, egg yolks, MCT oils, good fats that are actually going to help elevate your testosterone levels. That's the key to all of this. The higher your testosterone levels are, the lower your estrogen levels are going to be. So that's a huge benefit. You want to make sure you're getting good, healthy fats that are going to increase your testosterone levels naturally, okay? You get that done, and then you're going to be keeping those estrogen levels low as well. So third thing, lose body fat. All right. Just focus on losing not just the weight. You want to maintain the muscle that you have. So focus on losing body fat. Follow along some of the workouts I'm showing you guys, some of the circuit training I'm showing you. That's going to help elevate your metabolism. Eat good, healthy foods. You want to maintain a good amount of muscle. That's going to help also. But lower that body fat, guys. Clean up your diets. Get rid of the processed foods. Get rid of the carbs that are full of gluten. And just focus on getting your body fat levels down. That's actually going to help as well. The final thing, the final step with this is good, intense chest workouts. Chest workouts that are full, rounded workouts. Your exercises have to be full range of motion exercises. You want to hit your chest from a variety of angles. And you also want to make sure that when you're doing these, you're focusing on your mind-muscle connection. That's huge when you're working chest. Don't ego lift, all right, guys? Just make sure you're lifting the weight by using your chest muscles. Whether it's a press or a fly, whatever you're doing, cables, make sure your chest, you initiate the movement with the chest and your chest is doing all of the work. Wide variety of angles. Flies, incline press, decline press, push-ups, wide push-ups. Just change it all up. Make sure you're just knocking that chest workout out of the park. Hit it from a variety of angles. But that's the final piece of the puzzle, all right? Because you've got to still get rid of the excess fat that's behind the nipple area, okay? That's going to help eliminate the man boobs. You've got to do all of these together. First, get those hormones regulated. Next thing you got to do, get some body fat off, all right? And then focus on getting those testosterone levels up, and then focus on building a good, well-rounded chest. So those are the key things for eliminating your man boobs. Again, guys, it's one of those things that it's very uncomfortable for people to deal with. I get it. I've had a lot of buddies. I've trained a lot of people. And it's going to lower your confidence levels. It's going to have a huge impact on the way you feel about yourself. I've known guys that get depressed because of it. They think they can never go to the beach without their shirts on. You can't take your shirt off anymore. You can't go to the pool. They're uncomfortable around their wives, girlfriends. So this is a huge thing. I get it. I'm trying to help you guys. I want to help you eliminate it. But you've got to do all of these steps to get it done. So, all right, guys, if there's anything else you want me to talk about, you want me to cover, you want me to go over with you, just comment below and let me know. Also, if you have other questions about this video, ask me in the comments, all right? That way I can kind of go over it and help you guys, walk you through it step by step if need be. All right, guys, that's all I got. Make sure you start implementing some of this stuff. Again, comment below with other things you want me to talk about, other topics you want me to cover and go over. I just want to help you guys out. As we get older, I don't want you to think your life is over. I want you to continue to focus on improvements. Focus on being happy, man, all right? It's not too late for you guys, no matter what your age, and I want you to know that. I want you to feel that. I want you to get that confidence back. But all right, man, get after it, and God bless.